Hey bead besties, it's Helga. Today we're making a stunning beaded daffodil using wire and beads. This one is a total beginner-friendly vibe, just the way you like it. We've already done an orchid and a lily on this channel, and this flower is going to look amazing in that same floral aesthetic. For our daffodil, I'm using light yellow beads for the petals. I have size 10 beads, but size 11 works perfectly too. I'm also using gold wire, 0.4 mm or 26 gauge. You'll also need your wire cutters and some floral tape. Let's start with the petals. Cut about 24 inches of wire. String on 10 beads, leaving about 1 inch of wire at the top. Twist the bottom to create a loop. Just a few rotations. The size of this loop doesn't have to be perfect. Just eyeball it. Now string on 12 beads and twist them at the top at a 45-degree angle. For the third row, add 14 beads and twist at a 45-degree angle at the bottom. Your first row should stay right in the center. For the fourth row, string on 17 beads and twist at the top. Make sure this row sits tight against the previous one. We want the tip of the petal to look nice and pointy. The fifth row takes 20 beads. The sixth row takes 21 beads. And the final seventh row for the petal is 25 beads. Now snip that big bottom loop, but not right in the middle, and twist all the wire ends together. Carefully tuck the top wire tip and cut off any extra. Every petal has a pretty front side and a back side where you can see the wire seams. Go ahead and make 6 of these petals in total. Next, let's make the center of the flower. I'm using orange beads in the same size 10. Cut about 28 inches of wire. String on 23 orange beads. Leave about 4 inches of wire at the end, then form a loop with the beads and twist it 2 or 3 times. Add another 23 orange beads and make an identical loop right next to it. Keep going until you have 6 loops total. Now for the stamens. String on 10 light yellow beads. Skip the last one and pass the wire back through the other 9. Then add 13 light yellow beads. Skip the last one and go back through the first 9 beads. Leaving 3 beads free at the base. Make sure everything is pulled tight. Do this one more time with 13 beads. Fold the yellow stamens into the center and wrap the orange loops around them in a circle, joining the start and the end. Twist the wires together. The center is done. Now let's put it all together. Take 3 petals and twist them onto the center. Then, add the remaining 3 petals one by one. Make sure they're tucked right up against the center of the flower. Twist the wires all the way down to create the stem. Then trim it with your cutter so it's even. Finally, wrap the whole stem in floral tape. And that's it! Our beaded daffodil is literally so cute. Let me know in the comments which flower you want to see next. See you in the next one, bye!